Okay. In last session, you have no confusion, correct?
Correct.
In the last session, I discussed regarding uh, JavaScript, correct? Basic of
Correct.
JavaScript, and
Yes.
mm, and we have
And the TypeScript also.
yes TypeScript, basic of TypeScript, but start of the TypeScript only. Then
Yeah.
uh, then on here, I will start uh, JavaScript. I test you if you understand all things or not. Then first sample, I create one file sample.js.
Hmm.
Okay, on here
Hmm.
write function eight.
Other screen is not visible.
Okay, Visual Studio is not VS
No,
Code is
only on. Oh
okay.
no, no, no. Only the document file of OpenUI in Chrome is visible to me.
Okay, now you are seeing my screen.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Then I create one function on here and console dot log 8 console dot log console dot log uh, console dot log 8 first value is only pass only one parameter on here. Hmm, Pass one parameter. Okay. Then next console pass on here. Uh, One is string. Hmm, Console dot log. Uh, One is string 5 9 comma 9 comma 5. Okay. Then for the string. Okay. Then pass three parameter on here. Pass one is string, one is a number, one is a string, one is a number, then one is a number. ठीक है? Then I remove. mm, Okay. Undefined. Okay. Then 0 string. Then okay. Okay. This is one more time. Just I remove these things. Console dot log 8 One is a 5 comma true. Okay. Second is 5 comma false. Third is a true and false, true and true, and null. This thing. Okay. This scenario, and just some fields we can remove on here. On it. Okay. Then tell me what the output. This is
Hmm.
only this is what the
Yeah,
output on here.
five,
Okay.
five.
5 on here.
5 NaN.
5 plus nan. 5 plus
Yeah,
undefined.
five.
Plus undefined
Undefined.
is equal to nan.
Five.
Correct?
Hmm.
On here,
Here, N5, 9 5.
as first is string, then nan 5. Correct.
Yeah.
Then on here,
Second is hello world. Uh, After that, hello world
hello world. Okay.
without a space.
After this on
After
here,
this, uh,
two
I
parameter.
think three parameters is there.
Hmm.
So it will be undefined.
I pass on here two parameter. So then go to the 10 comma 20. 10
Mm.
comma 20. What 20, 30?
Mm.
So the 10 plus 20. This is undefined. Correct.
Undefined, yes.
Is 10 plus 20 plus undefined is equal to nan. Okay.
Mm.
So, then next 8 on here.
None. NaN.
Okay. nan. And the next
And the next is
undefined plus null.
undefined personal, yes.
Undefined plus null.
Mm.
What the value?
Undefined and null is a value and defined is nothing. So NA null
No, this value no. 100 plus 50. This is a 5, 10,
150. This
5,
value is a
5, 10.
510.
Correct. Mm.
510.
And
Next
after
next
that,
to the
after
510.
that, this value 5.
Next to 510. 510.
Okay. And this value
None.
uh, 5, 10 plus undefined.
510 undefined is equal to none.
5, 10, 5 plus 10. 5 or 10. Then 5 and after that 10.
10. And the third column where we are not defined that, there will be the undefined value. That will be none.
On here, we need to check this value.
Mm.
Just I copy on here. On here, expect element. No, expect.
Might be there will be an error because we are looking for three parameter function
Okay.
and we
This
have
is
only defined two
okay.
parameter function.
And then copy on here. Uh, okay.
Okay. Where are you pasting the string is not visible. Only
Okay. Okay.
visible should be
Okay.
code.
See my skin? Yes.
Yeah.
And then on here, 510. Output is 510. Correct. But on there, this is wrong. Because just suppose that I add the debugger on here. Just 1 second. Add debugger.
Hmm.
Debugger. Okay. Then
Hmm.
execute. Then console.log add. Okay. Then 5
Okay.
and 10. Okay. So then 5
Hmm.
and 10. Then is a 5, 10. 5, 10 correct. But on there is
Hmm.
not correct. Value, na? Understand? this thing, these things 5, 10.
We have defined the method of with two parameter a and b.
Yes.
Okay,
Yeah,
and now in the calling we are passing a three parameter value.
correct. So then three parameter we are fine, but this is a string. No, just 1 second on here. Hmm, uh, on here, console. There is a three parameter, correct?
Correct.
So there is a three parameter. On here, this is two
Hmm.
parameter you take and one is left because I have to only two parameter. Then this is output.
Suppose that I have a another method name is add with ABC.
Then on
Then
there
what
this
will
is,
be the output?
then on there function a plus b plus c, correct?
Mm-hmm.
Then on here, okay. Then pass the parameter. Then on here,
Mm-hmm.
output is 5, 10, 15. Just I check on here.
Okay, A should be capital in the next function. Now, if we keep both functions, add A comma B
So
and add A
then
comma B comma C.
then is a overloading, correct? Overloading concept on here.
Hmm.
So then when check the parameter, then go to the that function. Then go to that function with match the parameter in overloading.
Okay.
Same
Okay.
function on a add. Then in which function cursor will go?
So if it is a overloading, so on the basis of the parameter, it will decided to call the method. But
Correct.
in the previous example, which we try a comma b and passing value 5, 10, 15, then why
In
it is not follow the overloading function?
on here.
Because we have
Yes.
passing, we
That's
have.
actually, yeah. This value is wrong. Actually, when I go to the runtime, actually maybe this intelligence is wrong. Then
Mm,
I run this execution. Then what the output is come on here. Okay. Then after that 5, 10, 5, 10, 15, 20.
mm, mm,
Okay. I
mm.
will comment this code.
If it is follow overloading, then how it can be possible to run the code with three parameter and calling the method of two parameter calling?
No, we have two parameter, correct? We have add.
Mm,
Yes, this in this JavaScript, this is issue. In the
mm.
JavaScript, this is issue. But in the type,
Okay.
this replace the TypeScript, correct?
Okay. So you are just showing the issue
Yeah,
with the JavaScript and why
correct,
it is what is sold in the TypeScript.
correct.
Okay.
Why go in the TypeScript? This is issue in the JavaScript,
JavaScript. Okay.
correct? Then first I do this output or the output on here. Then
Mm.
5, 10, 5, 10,
15, 20, the 5,
5,
10. Only 5, 10.
only 5,
Only
10,
5, 10.
correct. On
Correct.
here,
Here also
15,
5, 10.
correct.
And here is the
On
5 and true.
5 and 2 means no.
Yeah, 1.
5 and true. True means 1.
Mm.
But
Mm.
6 on
6 is
here.
the value.
On
5.
here, correct. On here,
And here
6.
is the value of, yeah, here is the
Uh,
value of 5.
True
And
false.
next
1,
value will be
1 plus
the
0.
1.
Correct.
1.
On here, 2.
2.
This
Null. And n.
null plus null, nn.
And n.
Null plus null, this is a swing. Null plus null. Okay. Then I compile this code. Node. Okay. Node. What is the command? Node dot backslash first sample dot js. Correct.
Yes.
What is on here? Okay. This is output is coming. Just check. Console.log a 5 comma true 6. Okay, 5 comma log 6. 8. Mm, maybe some, I'm not saving this code. It's correct line. Okay. Then first is 5, correct? After that,
Mm.
NaN. After that,
Mm.
9, 5, correct. Hello world, correct. After that, 10, 20, 30. 10, 20, 30. 30, correct?
Okay. Mm.
30, understand? 30.
Understand.
Yes. Then on here,
Yes, yes.
undefined plus undefined NaN, correct?
Mm.
After that,
Correct.
NaN. Okay. Then on here, 20, 100, and 50.
50. Mm.
On here, 5, 10. On here, 5,
5,
10.
10.
On here, 5,
5,
10.
10.
After that, 5, 10. After that, 5, 10. After that, on here, this is error is coming on this line. This will error generate. Why generate error? Actually, small is a. This
Oh, small A, capital A.
correct. Okay. Then save this again.
CLS.
CLS and run the command. Okay. Then output is 6. Output is 6.
5.
6, 5, 1, 2, and n none. This is value. I check this console. I check on here console. Uh, you see my screen?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's visible.
Yeah, yeah. Then console. Okay, then F5. After that, okay, null plus null, null plus null,
Mm.
null plus null, 0. Null plus null, 0. This is wrong. Null plus null, 0 means null plus null, null plus null, 0. Okay, I will check this point. Okay,
Okay, no issue.
Hmm. I will check this null plus null, 0. Okay, this point is understood, correct?
Mm.
This concept. Okay, okay. After that, we have go to the notepad. We have uh, on here. What the issue on here? One is a in the JavaScript. What the issue? JavaScript. We have in the JavaScript what the lack of JavaScript. First is a dynamic typing means
Mm.
we can assign. I go to the
Any
doc.
type of value to any variable.
Yeah, we can go to the document. Yes, on here. This is a dynamic. Okay, on here we can assign
Mm.
the var, and in the var you can any type of data type you can assign in this value. This is a issue with plain JavaScript, correct?
Correct.
Dynamic typing. Second is a lack
Mm.
of type safety. Lack of
Mm.
lack of type safety means we can assign we can assign just I want to say we can assign uh, var array array 1 is equal to on here. First is integer, second is string, third is true, correct? On here, multiple data type we can assign on here. So then here lack of type safety. No,
Yes.
on here JavaScript is not checking type type safety, correct?
Correct.
So one point is dynamic typing, second is lack of type safety, correct? Third is
Mm-hmm.
JavaScript cannot support OOPS concept. Like class in JavaScript, we have no class, no interface. Okay, and ECMAScript before the ECMAScript 6, there are no class, no interface, and no access notifier. Means you can say uh, uh, just a comment on here. TypeScript. This is a point on here. We have note down. Uh, the issue of ECMAScript before the ECMAScript 6 means in ECMAScript 5 there is a no interface, no access modifier, and no class. Okay, in ECMAScript 5. When run the code in the browser, this by default ECMAScript is done. By default, ECMAScript 5 is done. If you
Mm-hmm.
run the code in the latest version, then you can assign which version you can run the code. Then I will show you how to check. Okay. So then 3 point you can understand. First is a dynamic typing. Second is a lack of task safety. Third is a lack of oops concept. Correct. Fourth is a
Mm-hmm.
lack of modularity. Modularity means on
Okay.
here, suppose that ki when you create the page in the ASP.NET in MVC,
Mm-hmm.
then you create the JS file. You can create the multiple JS file, and you can register all the JS file in the pages, right? We can tag in the MVC. Then you can register in the
Mm-hmm.
root config. Correct. In ASP.NET,
Mm-hmm.
you can register in the master page. Correct. So
Correct.
there is a we have ECMAScript before the ECMAScript 6. We have do these things like these things we have assigned. Correct, like this. It's
Mm-hmm.
I see multiple things. ABC file, we have 100 file. We can register like this. Correct, but but in ECMAScript 6, this is a lack of modulability. Correct, in ECMAScript 5, lack of modulability. Okay, on here, no modulability. But ECMAScript 6, we have registered like we have create the one class like on here, create the one function on here. Great. This function we have creating on here. Great. Correct. Export
Mm-hmm.
and in module one. Like I give the example on here. Just module module A the TS. You can like GS TSC person. You can do. Okay. And next module TS. Okay. Uh, then on here, uh, write code on here. Okay. Write this function on here. This is a export. Export. Okay. Only this code on here and write on here and export the function on here. Import this function, that same function on here on the module B. Module B we can register dot. Okay. On here this is JS file TS. Okay. So this is we have separate two file on here. We have
Yeah.
separate two file on here. This is a
Mm-hmm.
modulability. But in JavaScript, there is no modulability. On there, we have write complete code and complete code in the page, one page, correct? Like master page. On that, this feature is not available in ECMAScript 5. But in after concept 5, this feature modulability is available. This is a four like of four feature we are telling. This is not available in concept 5.
Okay.
Correct?
Correct.
This point you understand? You have any question?
Yeah, got it, got it, got it. So
Okay.
whatever code we are writing in the module A, it will be available if we in
In
other
module
module
B
file,
is
yeah, in module B
yes,
or other module,
yes,
with the help of import.
correct. Like I add one more function on here. One more
Hmm.
function on here. Test. Okay.
Hmm.
Test.
Hmm.
And if we are not export, then this function not show on there. We need to export.
Okay.
Okay, export
Hmm.
keyword we need. After that, on
Hmm.
there we can pass the parameter on here. uh, what is the test? Okay, this is coming on test, and this test you can use this test like on here. You can use something, uh, same thing,
Cancel the
console,
upload. Okay.
console, and on here test. What is the function on there? What is the copy on there? This is a test function, correct?
Hmm.
Test function, and this is test. Okay, same things. If you are
So,
not export on here, if you remove these things on here, then this function will not be, error is coming on here. Okay, this error is coming. We need must export keyword. I will tell you in next, because on here.
so
uh,
here, one second. So here, whatever method we are writing in the module A, we need to first define in the curly braces of the first line. After that, we need to recursively call that method with its name in the subsequent loop, where we want to show the value of the output of that test method in the module B. Is correct?
Correct. Yes.
I'm saying. Okay.
Yes. Yes. We have create the
Okay.
function on here, and add the export, and this export means this function is available in this application. And in export import on here, and you can use. Okay. Any confusion?
No confusion.
Okay, then I will tell you the next topic we have discussed with the class. Okay, I create the class person person dot ts. Correct. I write class person person. Okay, on here constructor, write the code on here. We have assigned the property person id colon, this is a number. Hmm. You understand the syntax, colon number, or because the maybe I in the last section I discussed with that point, person colon number, and data type we have to assign on how to
At
discuss.
Tata, you explain that any number
Yes,
this like this. You just define the simple types.
yes. And on here this is a person. Okay, person id. This is a type of number or undefined. Means person id is a number or undefined.
Mm.
And person name, person person name colon string, and pipe means or.
Undefined means value will be blank, right?
Yes, undefined means not blank, undefined.
And
Undefined is different. Null is different. Blank is different. Blank means
Mhm.
string type. Okay. Number
Okay,
also
okay,
undefined. String also undefined.
okay.
Then I write the constructor. This is the constructor.
थोड़ा मुश्किल है सर। तुम लोग थोड़ी सी भी मुश्किल झेल नहीं सकते? चलो मेरे साथ आओ। टेक योर वेपन्स।
This that is that person name. This that per on here you can do the same things or name. This that person name is equal to name and person ID. If this is a you can do person uh, ID. Okay, ID.
ये इतना घमंड। अरे
ID.
सर ये पूरा महल ही उनका है। राजकोट रियासत के आखिरी राजा है वो।
This is
संजय
ID.
राजकोट।
Then we can assign these things on here. Constructor. Okay. This is class. We can assign the property and assign the property and we can use and also we have write the function like
हम्म।
so so info yeah so info okay so info
ओके।
return type is you can do the label because we have no and console console dot, console dot log person name and person id okay this is yeah, you can mute if any disturbance in the background.
करेक्ट।
You can mute because in the background is sound is coming.
ओके गिव मी।
Yeah. Then okay, this is class. I create the class. Okay, and in the class we have create the
ओके।
constructor and create the method. Okay, assign the person.
ओके।
And after that we have create the instance of class where
हम्म।
person is equal to new person and this. Okay. So then I create the instance of class. Correct. Create the instance of class. Zone. Okay. Zone and and ID is 1 and person dot so then output is person name and person id. Output is person name and person id. Just I
हम्म।
run this code. Tsc person dot ts correct
करेक्ट।
dot backslash.
हम्म।
Okay. Okay, file is generated on here and then node output. What the output on here? Person name is person
आउटपुट
name.
विल बी जॉन डो एंड वन।
Correct. Dot person
डॉट
dot
जे।
yes. Okay. John do and one. Correct. On here we have created the class. We have created the class with the constructor. Correct. But we have
Okay, so is
hmm,
there any need to create an object of the class, or we are calling the
yeah
method with the
yeah
class name?
we have created the class. PA instance of the
Okay,
we have created the object of the class. You understand?
okay,
This is class.
yeah, got it,
This is
got it.
class and instance of class. Instance
Hmm.
of person class. Correct. But
In the
on here,
same class, we define the model class of the person, and there we are defining the values, and we are calling with that. Okay, no
yeah,
issue. Got
same.
it, got it,
You
got it,
you
got
can
it.
same as you can compare with the C sharp. In the C
Yes,
sharp,
yes.
create the class, and in the class we can create the constructor for the parameter, assign the parameter in the
Hmm.
constructor, and we have
Hmm.
created the function and call the function. This is a call in the like you can compare with the console application. Correct. In the main method, we write the
Correct,
instance of the person class.
correct, correct.
After that, we have created the constructor. After that b I want to this is a concept only for the class. After that b discuss with the overloading.
mm,
We want overloading. Then how to overloading on here?
mm,
How to overloading on here? Then for the overloading on here in the TypeScript, we have definition, multiple definition, but implementation is only one. Means we can implement only one function, and definition you can assign in multiple definition. Like we have write the code on here first. Constructor on here, we have overloading with the constructor on here, but in the C sharp you can overloading with the method name, but on here overloading with constructor. Correct. This is a
mm,
difference. This is a difference with the TypeScript and the C sharp. Compare with, you can compare both. uh, okay. Then one is a default parameter, default constructor. One is a definition. Second definition is a, second definition is this. Correct. Definition means
correct.
only, definition means only definition, not implementation. Correct. So in
Mm,
you can remind with the interface. Correct. Only on here we can definition. You can do multiple definition, but implementation only one. Implementation only one. So then this giving the code, I do the compare code. This remove this code. Okay. Then first
mm.
is a default constructor.
Relation.
Means default method.
Relation.
You can
Okay.